We are about to eat In-N-Out for the first time. The East Coasters. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. And we're very excited.
I'm so freaking excited.
Even though I distinctly remember, oh yeah, by the way, I've had it once before. It was just a really long time ago. And I remember it being average. So.
Let's go feral right now.
Did you get it?
No, we have to do it with his hand.
It's touchless. First bites, what's everyone thinking?
Pretty good.
The fries are like not that good.
Yeah, fries are kind of mid.
Like a 6.
But the burger,
Not honestly.
pretty good.
Not that good,
Pretty good.
though. Rate it, quick,
so-
quick.
It's like an 8 out of 10.
Okay, 8 out of 10.
How's your crumble cookie?
Give me a bite.
Perfect.
And I opted out because I just got a milkshake and I'm really full.
8 out of 10.
We are at Insight Coffee Roasters in Sacramento. Chai latte, what'd you get?
Got a vanilla iced latte.
So delicious.
10 out of 10.
And
Espresso was
the
great.
atmosphere, 10 out of 10 as well. Because there's plants everywhere. So cute. This is our Airbnb that is actually a tiny home. And it's so cute. Honestly, it's a little bigger than what we all thought a tiny home would be, but bigger is better, so that's actually ideal for us. But it's on top of a cliff, or on top of a hill, so driving up here was pretty scary, and the closest food place is pretty far, so that's where we're at. It's also 100 degrees. Good morning from Yosemite. We're waiting for the sun to rise. We literally just saw a mama bear and her cubs. Insane. Insane. Oh my god. Gianna, how are we feeling right now?
A little uneasy.
I have never been this happy since I saw the bear 2 seconds ago.
What about the coyote?
The coyote too. It was cute.
This is Half Dome, and then this is Mirror Lake dried up. This is what's left of it.
I'm sitting in Mirror Lake.
We are literally in Mirror Lake right now, and Josh is in Mirror Pond. Good morning. We are currently in our hotel in San Francisco. It's a really bougie and nice hotel, but Hunter had Amex credits, so that's the only reason we're here right now, because we could not afford this. Yeah, today we're gonna explore San Francisco and hopefully it's gonna be fun. I think it will because we're all very excited about it, and yeah, that's the update for today. We are living our San Francisco moment right now, going like 90 degrees down. Josh is getting ready for his story post of the day. Oh my god. This is the Ghirardelli Cookie Crumble Sundae.
And that was how the cookie crumbled.
Take it away. We're here at the Painted Ladies.
I painted the ladies brown with my doo-doo. Everywhere you go.
This isn't that bad. I would never want to live on this.
No.
We're at this little village called Carmel by the Sea, and I just got Dutch door donuts. Josh just tried to steal it. I got the cinnamon sugar. We're here at Midway Falls, and it's actually stunning.
And the beach says send dudes.
And it does. It says send dudes down on the beach. So fill us in on where we are, guys.
Clouds.
Solo.
We're in the clouds. We're actually in the water.
Solo. Jumping in the fountain. Actually by my side.
As you can see, you can't see. So yeah. We transported into Europe.
Yay! Euro tour.
Just kidding, we're in Solvang, which is somewhat close to LA, but it's a little Danish village and it's so cute.
Oh yeah, Greedo.
John Green? What?
Hey! You heard it here first. One day I will have a star and I will have my handprints in this area. So. How are you guys enjoying it?
Yes, I don't know why.
What is it? Nona's empanadas? I think, yeah.
So,
Yum! Good morning, guys. guys, we are going to Universal today. I obviously can't record while I'm in the park, so I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I will probably take videos on my phone, and everyone else probably will, so I can just use that. Just got butterbeer, cheers!
Yeah.
Okay. Slay.
You missed it. No licky backies. Yeah, right? It would be called Lego Pops. Yeah, Lego Pops. No licky backies.
Yeah, I'm such a mom. How I hold up my camera too. So
Cheers to the road trip! Happy birthday to you! Yay!
You're gonna cheers it?
Oh.
Do you wanna come have some cake?
did you really just dig your spoon in right where I was gonna eat you?
Wow, I caught a bad part, huh? Good morning, yeah, from Love Island, California, yeah. This morning is the last day of our trip, innit? Obviously, yeah, it was a long trip for me. I've been gone for like a month, actually, as of today. Yeah, and yeah, it's been a time, you know, not gonna lie, I've had a bit of travel anxiety, but you know, it was a trip of a lifetime. I'll never forget it. We're just chilling in LA today, and our flight is a red-eye flight, so that's not fun. But yeah, that's a little update because I haven't vlogged in a couple days.
Hello. So I think we got on really well. It's been about 6 months without Liv, and I just think the energy, the vibe, we really crack on. She's my type of bird on paper. So I just think that, you know, I would totally do it again with Liv. And stay tuned for more future travel vlogs because this is not the end.
Alright, good morning. This trip's been absolutely mental. We're leaving today, but I don't want to leave. It's been like 2 weeks for me. Liv's been here for like 5. Everybody's leaving. I want to stay. I might stay, I'm not sure. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, that's all I got.
Alright, so it's just me. Gianna doesn't want to be here. So I'm gonna say that
You have to talk in a British accent.
I'm gonna say that I ate cake and it's my birthday. Put all my eggs in one basket, and I really came out here to the West Coast, and I bought a couple of Funkos and a couple of comics, and ate some Mexican, and my butthole was burning when I took a poo. And I want to go home and play Minecraft or GTA 5.
We just passed the Selling Sunset Oppenheim group place.
They sell like